Hello everyone, very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to the Vichita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to give the some of the important questions with answers in the subject of the botany for the bridge course first year students, like a BPC stream students. Okay, whoever watching first time, please watch till the end of my video. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and you have to hit the bell icon also. Okay, so let me see the one by one. Okay, already I have completed the syllabus as well as the weightage of marks and exam pattern paper. Okay, and important questions also I have discussed in the subject of the geology for the like a bridge course students. Okay, so now I am going to discuss about the now I want to continue the class in the subject of the botany. Okay, so if you see one by one here the Unit 1, Diversity in the Living World. Unit 2, Structural Organization, Plants and Morphology. Unit 3, Reproduction in Plants. Unit 4, Plant Systematics. And Unit 5, Structure and Functions. Unit 6 is the Internal Organization of Plants. And 7th one is the Plant Ecology. It's clear? If you see the Unit 1, okay, I have discussed this syllabus, no? So this is the first year botany student syllabus, okay? Syllabus for the first year students who are going to write the bridge course examination in the subject of the botany. Okay, so let me see the weightage of marks in the particular units. Okay, in the like a diversity in the living world, you may get the 5 marks weightage from this unit. Okay, next coming to the second unit, structural organization, plants and morphology, 8 marks weightage will be there. Okay, next coming to the third unit, reproduction in plants. In this you may get the like a unit 3, no, like a reproduction plants. In this you may get the 6 marks weightage will be there. Next unit 4, plant systematics. In this unit you may get the 2 marks weightage. Next fifth unit is the cell structure and functions. In this you may get the 10 marks weightage. Next unit 6, internal organization of plants. In this you may get the in the histology and anatomy of flowering plants and all. In this you may get the 8 marks weightage. And last seventh unit is the plant ecology. In this unit you may get the 1 mark. Okay? So this seventh unit no that much importance. Okay, in the you may get the 1 mark weightage. So if you see the overall the 7 units will be the in the 7 units overall, like a fifth unit is giving more importance. Okay, fifth unit is the cell structure and functions. Now in this you may get the 10 marks. Okay, comparing to overall, if you see the 10 units, so 7 units in this overall 7 units, you may get the highest weightage of marks in the unit fifth. Okay, you have to little bit concentrate on fifth unit. Okay, so next coming to the first is fifth unit. Next we are focusing on the second, that is a cell structure and function. 8 marks weightage will be there. And next like a sixth unit, okay, internal organization of plants. In this also you may get the 8 marks weightage will be there. And third one is the like a third unit, okay, cell structure and functions. In this reproduction in plants. Okay, reproduction in plants you may get the 6 mark weightage. And last like a diversity in living world, 5 marks weightage will be there. And last systematics, fourth unit, plant systematics, 2 marks. Okay, seventh unit you may get the 1 mark weightage will be there. It's clear? Okay, so I have completed the weightage syllabus as well as the weightage of marks in the particular units in the botany. It's clear? So let me see them. Now I am going to discuss about some of the important questions and answers in the like a first unit, second unit, third unit. It's clear? Okay. Okay, this is the first unit important question. So I'll told no, like a diversity in living world weightage, 5 marks weightage will be there in this unit. Like in this 1 mark you may have the 1 mark questions as well as the 4 marks questions will be there. Like very short answers 1 mark, short answers 4 marks questions will be there. See here, so they are providing like a 1 mark questions from this unit. Like a 15 questions will be there, not 15, overall 19 questions will be there. Please go through these questions and all. Okay, just have a glance. Okay, it's clear. Okay, next, so we'll see the important questions and answers. Okay, this is some of the 1 mark question important questions. Okay, this is the okay, see the very short answers questions, 1 mark questions. What does ICBN stand for? I won't read, I won't explain, I won't read also. Please go through these important questions and answer you have to. So when you are watching this video, please try to maintain the running notes. Then only it's easy for you people when you're going to write the examination before itself. It's easy for you people for writing, for referring also. Okay, which is the largest botanical garden in the world? Next, name a well-known botanical garden in India. Next, what is the basic unit of classification? Give the scientific name of mango. How are okay videos different from viruses? Okay, it's clear. Okay, next coming to the it. Okay, next, who proposed five kingdom classification? Next, eighth question, name two diseases caused by the mycoplasmas. Next, ninth question, who is popularly known as father of botany? Who discovered the cell? What is okay paleobotany? Okay, what are the groups of plants that live as symbionts in lichens? Name the study of lichens. It's clear. Next question. So, okay, which group of plants is called okay amphibians of plant kingdom? Next, name the branch of botany which deals with the amphibians of plant kingdom. What is the basis of classification of algae? What are the two stages found in the game okay game to fight of Moses? Name the gymnosperms which contain okay mycorrhiza okay mycorrhiza. Okay, name the coralloid roots respectively. Just 5 minutes before only I got this content, so without wasting our time I have tried I started to taking the video for you people. Anyhow, we have only limited period, so that is the reason one of my best favorite YouTuber, she has given this material for you people. So that is the reason without so some students may you may not get if you will spend the money also sometimes you may not get the book, so isn't it? So that is the reason we have when I asked her, she has provided this material. Okay, that is the reason I have for thanks. So I am heartful thanks to that one of my student. Okay. So next coming to the 19th question is finished now. Next 4 marks question is finished. Next 1 mark question is finished. Next 4 marks questions. What are okay taxonomical aids will give the importance of herbaria and museums? Okay. Explain binomial nomenclature. This 2 marks question are very very important. More 2 marks questions so many times they ask you. It's clear. Okay, next coming to the okay. Give the silent features and importance of chris okay chrysophytes or chrysophytes. Next, give a brief account of okay flagella sorry dinoflagellatus. It's clear. Okay, differentiate between red algae and brown algae. So when they anytime if they any question will come like a differentiation means you have to make it like 2 boxes. Okay, don't write explanation, like don't write like a summary wise. Okay, if anytime if they will ask like a differentiation distinguish means compulsory you have to make it 2 boxes and you have to make try notes answer. Okay, so next question, what is heterospore? Briefly comment on its significance, give 2 examples. Okay, next coming to the Okay, last 26th question. Draw a label diagrams of female thallus and male thallus of a liverwort. So this is a differentiation between the male and female one. This is a female thallus, this is a male thallus. Okay, this is a female, this is the male one. It's clear? Okay. So now I am going to end up this first unit. Okay. So let's we enter into the second unit. Okay, this is second unit. Important, sorry, morphology second unit. Very short answers questions will be there. Okay, you have to go through this important 1 mark questions and 4 mark questions also. Okay, so next coming to the second unit. First questions define venation. How do dicots differ from monocots with respect to venation? Which organ is modified to trap insects in insectivorous plants? What type of inflorescence is found in fig trees? Define presentation. What type of presentation is found in dianthus? Okay, next coming to the what is meant by parthenocarpic fruit? Okay, why certain fruits are called false fruits? Name 2 examples of plants having false fruits. Name any 2 plants having single seeded dry fruits. What are aggregate fruits? Give 2 examples. Next, explain with examples different types of the phyllotoxy. So this is, I think, 4 marks questions. Yeah, short answers means 4 marks questions only. Very short means 1 marks questions. Next, describe any 2 special types of inflorescences. Next, coming to the continuation of this question. Answer, ma. See this answer. Cyanthema euphorbia. Okay, this is also continuation. Okay, next one is the describe in brief the fleshy fruits studied by you. Berry, pepo, pome, asperadium, drupe. These are all things you can write. Next one is explain how root is modified to perform different functions. Next, sorry. Okay, next continuation. Fibrous root system. Different types of root systems. Okay, carrot, banyan, mango, maize, epiphytes and all. Okay. So next continuation of this question only. Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Geniophylum. We just go through the important questions and answers only. Next. Explain how stem is modified variously to perform different functions. Any 4 they're asking. This is a 16th question. The 16th question is the last question, I think, from the second unit. Okay. So stems are modified in several ways to perform different functions, like a stem tuber of potato, okay, rhizome of ginger, underground stem modifications and all. Okay, they can write it. Okay, see. Okay, this continuation. 16 questions are there in second unit. Okay, I completed the second unit also. Next I am going to start the third unit, that is a reproduction in plants. Okay, reproduction in plants. Okay, this is the second unit. Third unit, reproduction in plants. Like a 6 marks weightage will be there from this unit. Okay, this is a very short answers question, like 1 marks question. So this is the index of the important questions. So let me see the one by one. This is the 4 marks questions will be there. Okay. Okay. Next, coming to the questions with answers. Okay. What is the dominant phase in the life cycle of an angiosperm? Next, what is meant by heterospory? How do liverworts reproduce vegetatively? Between an annual and a perennial plant, which one has a shorter juvenile phase? What the following parts of a flower develop into after fertilization? Okay. So next, coming to the define vivipary. So many times this question was asked in final examination. This is a very important question. Define vivipary. Give an example. Name the component cells of the egg apparatus in an embryo sac. Name the parts of a pistil which develop into fruit and seeds. What is self incompatibility? Which is a triploid tissue in a fertilized ovule? How is pollination carried out in water plants? So next, define with examples of endospermic and non-endospermic seeds. Next, coming, how many questions are there in this? One more questions, 12 questions are there. So let me see the 4 marks questions, like a short answers questions. Fertilization is not an obligatory event for fruit production in certain plants. Explain the statement. Why is vegetative reproduction also considered as a type of asexual reproduction? Next, give a brief account on the phases of the life cycle of an angiosperm plant. Okay, next question. What is vegetative propagation? Give two suitable examples showing vegetative propagation in plants. Write a brief account on agents of pollination. This question continuation. Abiotic and biotic pollinating agents. Okay, so this is the last paper. Okay, continuation. It's clear? Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Okay, today I completed the syllabus of the botany and weightage of marks in particular units in the overall syllabus of the botany, as well as I have given the some of the important questions with answers in the first unit, second unit and third unit also. So next video I will come up with the other units in the botany also. So this is content only for the English medium students. Already I have given the notes in all the subjects, like a very different way, like a different various subjects, like physics, chemistry, botany, zoology and all. I have given the like a content for Telugu medium students also. This is only English medium students content. Already I have completed the English medium students in the subject of the zoology. Now I am going to within 1 or 2 days I may end up the botany also. It's clear. So okay, once again, thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you all.